It's a fact. Carpet is our favorite flooring here in America. Carpet and rugs have been around for thousands of years. Today, just about anything you can imagine is available in carpeting. Colors, textures, patterns, materials, fibers, weaves, sculptures, and depth of pile. Of course, one of the most sought-after fibers is also one of the oldest, wool. It's beautiful as it is expensive. Over the years, some clever scientists and imaginative entrepreneurs have provided us with many different types of carpet fibers with various advantages. Newer carpets made with these fibers are stronger yet softer, water resistant, resistant to fading, easy to clean, and easy to install. When it comes to carpet installation, your choices are endless. Many people choose wall-to-wall installation in one seamless design from room to room. Others prefer a room-sized carpet with a finished edge. This look can be stunning, and it can show off your hardwood floors and preserve it. Of course, the installation cost will be a bit higher for something like this, but it's well worth the cost. DIYers can also install their own carpet at ease with carpet tiles. Before you know it, you'll have a brand new flooring in a bedroom and a brand new garage flooring if you so choose. At Flooring Direct, we're here to help. Choose the flooring that best suits your needs and makes you happy. Visit Flooring Direct for the new, high-quality floors you've been dreaming of. Call to schedule your free estimate today.